If you're looking for a quick and efficient way to boost local lead generation, Outgrow might be the perfect tool for you. In this video, I'll break down how to use Outgrow specifically for local lead generation, and I promise, by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to start generating qualified leads for your business using this powerful software. Stick around because I'm also going to show you how you can get an exclusive, extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. Outgrow is an interactive content platform that helps businesses create highly engaging quizzes, calculators, assessments, and surveys that turn visitors into leads. It's a game changer for local businesses because it allows you to capture important information from prospects in a fun and engaging way. Now let's talk about how you can use Outgrow for local lead generation. First, think about your target audience. Outgrow's tools allow you to tailor quizzes and calculators to solve specific problems for your local market. For example, if you're a local real estate agent, you could create a "What's your home's value?" calculator or a "Best neighborhood for your lifestyle" quiz. This approach attracts people who are interested in making decisions and are likely to convert into actual leads. Outgrow makes it easy to embed these tools right on your website or share them across your social media platforms. These interactive elements help capture user data while keeping the experience engaging. And the best part, they work on mobile too, which is essential for local businesses targeting customers on the go. Another great feature of Outgrow is its ability to integrate with a variety of CRM systems and email marketing platforms, allowing you to automate your follow-up process. Once someone completes your quiz or calculator, you can instantly follow up with tailored offers and information, turning that interaction into a lead for your local business. Whether you're collecting emails, phone numbers, or more detailed data like home purchase intentions, Outgrow makes it easy to segment your audience and personalize your outreach. The beauty of Outgrow for local lead generation is that it's not just about collecting information, but about providing value upfront. When people engage with a quiz or calculator, they're getting something useful. This creates a stronger bond and positions your business as a helpful resource. Plus, the interactive nature of the tools makes them more likely to share with friends or family, which can generate more local leads through word of mouth. You can even track how well each quiz or calculator is performing in real time, which allows you to tweak and improve your lead generation strategy. Outgrow's analytics give you valuable insights into what's working and what's not, so you can adjust your approach to get the best results. So, if you're a local business owner or a marketer looking to improve your lead generation, Outgrow is a must-try. And the best part? You can use this software for free. Just click the first link in the description below to access our exclusive bonus offer and start using Outgrow for local lead generation today. This bonus will give you extended access and extra features you won't find anywhere else. Start creating interactive content today and watch your local lead generation efforts transform. Trust me, with Outgrow, you're not just gathering information, you're building connections that convert. Make sure to take advantage of the exclusive extended free trial and start generating more leads today.